Hello and welcome to a new episode of Easy English. Today I want to talk to you for 10 straight boring minutes on words that you're pronouncing wrong and... Hello?
Mr. Mitch, are you there?
Hello?
Mr. Mitch.
Hello?
Mr. Mitch? Mr. Mitch, are you there?
This is Mr. Mitch. I've reached the target.
Good. The jewels should be on the second floor in the crate. Be careful, they're extremely extortionate.
Affirmative. Might I just say, great pronunciation. Wrong! By coincidence, the word pronunciation isn't always pronounced right. Maybe because of the verb form of pronounced contains the syllable noun, while the noun pronunciation doesn't. Carry on. Target confirmed. I can see the box containing the jewellery. Wrong again. It's jewellery. Don't pronounce the last E. Jewellery. Carry on.
Okay, Agent. Let's begin the mission. You will first need to climb the ladder.
I hope that guy doesn't interfere again, because I need to focus. What? Sounds funny, right? Well, it's pronounced focus. Now watch your step.
Okay, now you need to jump to that ledge and shimmy across.
I'm going to need to leap like a salmon. Salmon, huh? Salmon. The L in salmon is silent. You need to leap like a salmon.
Are you okay, Mr. Mitch?
It's okay. It's just a very cold February. Not necessarily wrong, but you can drop the first R if you like. February. February.
Okay, next you need to crawl through the air vents.
This is not comfortable. And again. This one's so easy. Just skip the or sound and you have comfortable. Comfortable.
Okay. You know, your interruptions are really making me feel uncomfortable.
Perfect.
Okay. I'm in.
Very good. But do you know much about stealing jewels, Mr. Mitch?
No. But I know a little bit about women.
Definitely wrong. And also not very appropriate either. She's your colleague.
But James Bond said it.
That was 50 years ago. And it's women, by the way. Women.
Okay, next is the voice-activated door. The password is in your notepad.
Oh, God.
Recept. Receipt. Receptor. Ah! And now you choose to be quiet?
The P is silent.
The P is silent. The P is silent?
It's receipt.
There it is.
What is it?
It's vegetables.
Mr. Mitch,
Yes?
it's vegetables. Vegetables. Not vegetables. Vegetables.
Fine. Easy. It's just vegetables.
What? Are you in the right building? Mr. Mitch, you should have been more serif.
Thorough. It's thorough.
Oh, f*** off!
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and set reminders for our new episodes. And if you'd like learning material for this video, then click on the link below to take you to our Patreon page, where you can become an exclusive Easy English member and download additional content connected to this video and all our previous episodes. See you soon. Bye.